Do you find it difficult trusting yourself, your opinions, or judgment? Or do you often find yourself relying on other people's approval to take any actions because you believe that you will always make the wrong choices or do the wrong things? Well, if that seems like you, this video is for you then. Welcome to my channel. My name is Wendy, and this channel is all about you becoming your highest self, which involves growth, healing, and manifestation. You will love it here. Do wait to like this video and subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you do not miss a video. Often at times, the lack of trust in yourself can be as a result of the fear of making mistakes, and which can be stemming out from the past. This can be as a result of the few times you've tried on a particular project that never worked out, or the few times you've given into love that never make any sense, or the few times you've made a personal decisions that you end up regretting. This is going to serve as an evidence against us, always acting as a barrier whenever we want to do anything challenging or any decision in our life again. As we know, our mind is always good at keeping records, right? And what we are going to do now is trying to change our subconscious belief, our belief towards ourselves. They believe that we always make wrong choices. They believe that we always do the wrong things. They believe that we can trust ourselves. We are going to change that belief. And how do we change it? Because of course they might always want to keep you safe from the things that are really challenging. And of course we've tried these challenging things for a few times that never worked out, and which is a no-no for us right now, which is a no-no for the mind. We don't want to do it anymore. There is already a barrier and a wall being created. So how do we break this barrier? So first of all, we are going to make an extensive list of what we are going to be losing, or what we keep on losing by holding on to this fear and insecurity. And which is number one, we are going to be losing trust in ourselves. We are going to be losing confidence, and also confidence from external people. We are going to be losing integrity. We are going to be losing honesty. We are going to be missing out in so many things. Missing out in new opportunities, missing out in new connections, missing out in new relationship. This can be work relationship, family relationship, or maybe relationship from loved ones. And also running away from responsibilities and holding ourselves accountable. By making out this list, we are going to communicate with our mind that this is not serving us. There is no way this attitude, this behavior is serving us. And also through self-awareness, helping our conscious mind to understand that this is actually harming us instead of protecting us. And this also leads to us making a list of what we are going to be gaining by choosing to let go of this habit, by choosing to let go of this insecurity, by choosing to let go of this past that has held us hostage, which is self-trust, confidence, external confidence as well, great relationship with partners, with work, with personal life, and even ourselves. This can also help us build honesty, build integrity, and of course take responsibility of our own self and our own life. This is you finally giving yourself the grace to make decisions, to trust your opinions, and to trust your intuitions, and which is going to serve you a lot better. And the most crucial aspect of all of this is your ability to let go of the past, because oftentimes it's not about the new things we are doing, it's not about the new positive things we are doing. It's because we are so much attached with the past, and thereby making everything we are doing or the positive habits we are inculcating into our life very useless, very meaningless, because we are still holding on to the past regret, the past shame, the past wound, the past memory, and we have refused to live in the present. So letting go of the past is a very crucial step to building self-confidence, is a very crucial step to building self-trust. Because by letting yourself do this, you are giving yourself the chance to build trust with self again, and thereby building confidence with yourself again. And this also means you forgiving yourself, understanding that everyone makes mistakes. Nobody has always been right up front. At some point, we make mistakes, we fall short, we have flaws, and all of those things is something that is natural and very inevitable. So switching from solely ruminating on the things that have gone wrong as a result of the mistake you made or mistakes you made, to seeing the things that you actually learned and understanding the things that really push you down or fall you down is what is really crucial and essential. Stop paying attention to how perfect things would have been and pay attention to the progress. What have I learned? What have these taught me? What have I come to realize as a result of the mistake I have made in the past? And be grateful. For a lot of people, their own mistake ended their life. So if you are still alive, realizing the mistakes and learning the things you have to learn is something to be grateful for. It's something to be really thankful for. Because people really wish that they were alive to make some correction, So if you are alive to make correction, is something that you should be grateful and really thankful for, and not beating yourself and hating yourself and refusing to live again. Please come out from that past and live in the present. So right now, it's not all about the new habit you want to start imputing into your life. Let go of the old habits, the old beliefs that have dominated your subconscious mind for the longest, and embrace a new belief that you are worthy of trust, a new belief that your decisions and opinions are really valid and that you should really work with them. So start today and take that one decision that your inner voice has been crying for, and let's work with it. So if you really found this message helpful, do want to give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to share this video with someone that you know that really needs to hear this. And thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.